Every single hair has been grabbed. I just got my July BoxyCharm, so I'm gonna create a simple summer makeup look. I am going to be using the Laura Geller Wildflower Wishes eyeshadow palette along with the LaRousse eyeshadow brush set. So I'm gonna start off with this marigold color as my base on the crease. And I'm using a slightly fluffier brush for this. And we're just gonna go right into the crease. And you don't have to be as precise with this because this is our base color and we're gonna be putting a couple other colors on top of it and blend with it. So that's with just the marigold. Then I'm going to go in with a slightly tighter brush. We are gonna go in with Mayflower and we're gonna go just a little bit tighter, and it's starting to give the depth there in the eye. That's our look at the moment. And then I'm just gonna go in one more time and I'm going to go in with Zinnia. Tap that in, make sure you tap the excess right along my lash line. And I'm gonna do the other side and then we'll blend. Don't fret. Blend that lash line out a little bit. And this is like my super simple fake smoky eye hack. It looks like you're wearing much more than you actually are. Next, I'm gonna use the Il Makiage mascara to finish off the eye look. I really love this mascara because it feels like it's gripping every single lash. I'm gonna start from the root and zigzag all the way to the top. If you have rounder eyes like I do, I like to give it just a little bit of the cat eye from the bottom. So I just do my bottom mascara from the middle out. So now I'm gonna use the Lithe Brow Sculpt on my eyebrows. I already have them filled in, so I'm gonna go ahead and make sure that they stay all day, honey. Wow, you can see how much already got grabbed. Every single hair has been grabbed. If you want, you can always swipe the top to make it a little more structured, but I like to keep it fluffier. Okay, so those are my fluffy eyes. And then what you wanna do is you wanna take the other end of this and you're literally just going to swipe it over and give you that lamination effect. Last but not least, I'm gonna be using the Ciate London Watermelon Burst Lip Balm and Mask. Oh my God, it smells so good. Oh wow, this goes on really easily. Just a little bit and dab onto your lips. My lips are giving kissable. This is the simple summer makeup look. Thank you for watching. Let me know if you are gonna be recreating this look, and also tell me what your favorite product was from the July BoxyCharm. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.